Jopur mag ochele kar pur ma lower Kuja irrigation scheme sub-county Manyatike dwaro mondo mi piny owacho konygi yudo chiro malong'o mar ochele kendo bende okonygi e bedo kata kedo kod winy ma osebedo ka chamo ochele. Moko kuom jopur ma osekayo ochele wacho ni sani gidiwo kod ochele e udi nikech gionge kod chiro malong'o. Jakom mar jopur e lower Kuja irrigation scheme okoni piny owacho mondo jiwre mar reso sekta margi mar pur mar ochele.
Wan gi mchele gunde 79 ni dala kama wauso gi e onge. The other time mano nyoch wapuro kendwa koro chiro onge.
The market also be expanded so that our people can get a benefit of their sweat. We also have the National Cereals and Produce Board that takes paddy. Last season they really assisted our farmers and they took paddy, komboka and pisori. They also said they will take all types of rice this season, and starting with komboka and pisori. Our plea is that we don't have enough storage, so if the county government can assist us to put up a warehouse where after having sold the rice, they can be taken, they can be kept safely before they are taken to the mill. They have promised us, the national government in collaboration with the county government of Migori, that they are coming in July, during that time when the rice is at its milk stage. That is when so many birds are around. So we expect that by July, the government will come, the county government and the national government, so that they control for us the population of birds.